Picture this, it's a new year and I bought the brand new A7IV and this is my first time in Hawaii. Let's go on an adventure and capture everything we can. Joining me is my girlfriend, so first stop, this sunrise we're gonna hit up the Coco tramway, and yeah, let's hurry up and get hiking. It's like 5:30 a.m. right now, so let's get going. Right now, it's windy. And you should definitely not use the wind cancelling option on the Sony A7IV because it basically muted my audio. But this place was so packed, however, I did spot this little ridge sticking out that other people walked on, so I thought that'd be a great shot, and here's how it turned out. And then I wanted to try and get the FPV quad in the air for the first time in a long time and shoot the ridge. Up just then, pretty chill. This is the first time I flew like over a ridge or anything, so maybe in time we'll get closer and closer. For now, let's keep going down a little bit and then maybe call it a day. The next day we woke up at the crack of dawn to catch a Lanikai pillbox sunrise, and Jesus Christ, there were so many people there. I've never seen so many people watch a sunrise. And there is a shit ton of people up there, so I will try my best. There was absolutely no room on the pillbox, but I did see this patch of dirt which I thought would make a good photo. This is the lengths we have to go to, and this is how it turned out. We then just enjoyed the sunrise, and you bet the quad had to be flown. Right, just got done ripping the quad while people started clearing out this absolute tourist attraction. I think we did a pretty good job with the flying. I saw this random dude with his shirt off and he was posing and it looked amazing. And then while I was talking about how I was doing that, he just comes up and is like, hey, that was me, give me your Instagram. Yeah, that would look sick. Hopefully we're gonna get a few more shots without 100 people because people are starting to leave. And then I need to run down the hill in 20 minutes because my parking's gonna expire, so let's go! For the rest of the day we checked out some quieter adventures which were still beautiful nonetheless. And then we went to Oahu's botanical garden where I actually don't know how to pronounce this botanical garden. Yeah, well, there's an iconic shot on the road. Everyone's probably seen it. You can't get that anymore because you can't stop the car, and they're very anal about that. Maybe I might just stick my camera out and just like try and take a photo just before we leave. I fucking failed. My shutter speed wasn't high enough and it turned out kind of shaky, but it is what it is, man. On the last sunset of our third day, I dragged Crystal up the side of a sketchy mountain. We are on top of the world right now. This is an amazing little lookout out here. It's beautiful. Look at these views. I'm gonna try and get the drone up real quick. Let's send it and capture these views. And that's it, 3 of my 14 days in Hawaii. There are so many more adventures to come, so I'll catch you in the next one.